Currently on the screen is the latest satellite view of Australia's eastern region across to New Zealand and the eastern regions. We have two low pressure areas currently on the weather radar, one to the southwest of New Caledonia. Welcome to another update via the 413's Australia Oceania channel, and the area of interest offshore from Newcastle. This is the latest precipitation across the next 26 hours. It's in 3 hourly blocks. Coming up, we'll be providing the latest Bureau Meteorology's warnings and paying attention to New South Wales. Precipitation scale is on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. The Bureau of Meteorology via the New South Wales office mid-afternoon Thursday issued a flood watch. Upper level divergence. And the picture changes again. Wind shear, which is normal for this time of year, especially the area in red. Shear tendency over the last 24 hours. And the scales at the bottom of the screen. The A50 millibar vorticity area of interest is southeast from Fraser Island, east from Newcastle, tracking eastward, then up towards the southern area of New Caledonia. This is one or two models of a possible low of the Queensland case. One to the south west of New Caledonia. Now this is another look at the wind feature on BSCH website. This is also in 3 hourly blocks across the next 26 hours or less. And you can clearly see the motion, and these are individual images. And the wind speed in knots, bottom left hand side of the screen. Now this is a track from one model to the rest of Perth. The NCEP GFS. The latest Bureau Meteorology's 12-hourly rainfall. The latest total forecast of rain across the next 8 days and look at the areas of interest. Solomon Islands, the area off Western Australia, area south of Fraser Island down to at least Sydney. And you can see the purple, pink to the southwest of New Caledonia. Bureau Meteorology has issued a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall and is current for the mid-north coast, northern rivers until forecast. Districts, persistent showers becoming heavy about the mid-north coast. Tonight's synoptic situation shows a low pressure trough along the New South Wales coast will deepen later today, causing showers to increase in frequency and intensity. This activity is expected to persist into Saturday. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding. It's expected over parts of the mid-north coast, southern parts of the northern rivers, far northern parts of the Hunter forecast districts from late tonight, persisting into Saturday. And as mentioned, flood warning for the Aurora, Bellinger, Nambucca and Hastings River valleys. Eastern District of New South Wales expecting to see rainfall over the long weekend as a coastal trough. Directs moist onshore winds. However, marine wind warning for the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria and a similar one for Saturday. The state of Queensland. Southeast coast cancellation, southwest coast, and a similar one for Saturday. Marine wind warning for New South Wales, strong wind warning, Macquarie and the Hunter coast. And for Saturday, for the Byron coast, we have a frost warning for the northeast forecast district. Fire weather warning up there in the Northern Territory for the Darwin, Adelaide River and Northern Fire Protection Area fire forecast areas. Severe fire danger is forecast for the following forecast areas: Darwin, Adelaide River, Northern Fire Protection areas for the rest of Friday. Latest precipitation via the GFS model. For the western region, including the Indian Ocean, and a tropical signal most likely up there in the Bay of Bengal. Now Now this is one of two models. First looking at the western region, taking in the Indian Ocean. Latest tropical cyclone formation probability. Are we going to see a possible tropical signal off the west coast of Sumatra? Now this is the second model, or the GFS model, for the eastern region. This is the warning area. South of Grafton down to Newcastle. And I'll look at a wind feature on the Windy website across the next couple of days.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.